Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. In your daily update, of course, on Turbo, we're back, and well, the situation purely technically has not really changed. All right, yesterday we had also just had a massive bearish breakout below this level right here between 0.65 and 0.7 cents, and so far we have been able to hold our main support level at 0.55 cents, which we also talked about. But that level hasn't really given us a bullish breakout. So far, it has only given us some sort of a bearish retest right here. So purely technically, we are still bearish. Now, what I do think is interesting, and there are more things that I think that are interesting, but from this support level, which, like I said, is very strong, at 0.55 cents, you have the 200 EMA, but it's also the 0.5 fib of this move up. So technically that's strong, and we are making higher lows from there. All right, so purely technically there is some sort of potential there. And what might even be more interesting is that we actually got, or at least I heard about it. I heard about a turbo listing on Binance. Has somebody lied to me? Somebody told me that turbo actually got listed on Binance futures, but I cannot really see it right now. No, wait, why wasn't it there? Well, all right, they will launch turbo futures. So fundamentally, that's interesting. All right, now a Binance future listing is something we talked about as being quite likely, but it's very double. All right, I've seen in the past where a Binance future listing makes the price very, very bullish, but I've also seen in the past where it's just a regular exchange listing and that it's actually a sell the news event. But I do think that in combination with this strong support, I do think it's interesting, and I'm actually a little bit more bullish on Turbo than yesterday. We also look, the momentum, if you look at Bybit, is still relatively low because we're not taking into account the Binance open interest yet. So there's no momentum increase on Bybit at least. And if you look at Binance, where trading has started, there is an increase, but that's normal after a new listing. So there's nothing we can really say about this. So sure, we're making higher lows here, but what we need is for the momentum to keep increasing, right? If the momentum keeps increasing, if we gain more and more momentum, then there's a real chance that we can actually get some sort of a breakout right here. And that's when it gets interesting, all right? If we get some sort of a breakout above 0.7 cents, then there's a chance that we can actually rally back up to 0.85 and 0.95 cents. And that's the main thing I wanted to talk about, even though it took me quite a long time to get there. But yeah, that's the breakout, all right? That's all you need to know. If we're able to get a breakout, which is a possibility because we have a strong support level, we have some sort of a fundamental catalyst behind it with the Binance futures listing, and the volume for Turbo right now, is still relatively high. All right, so a Binance spot listing might be a possibility as well in the next 2 weeks or so. So this is possible, but you should assume that we'll stay bearish. All right, because so far, technically, we've only received bearish confirmations. The momentum is not rallying yet. So what I would assume right now is that we will just consolidate here and eventually drop down below 0.55 cents down to half a cent. That's what I would assume, but place a price target at 0.7 cents, because if we do break above that, I think that's a good opportunity to go long. And I think that's the most important trade you need to keep your eyes on. But like I said, it's always better to assume that we're going to be bearish and then just be alert and be ready to long when we see confirmation of otherwise, or confirmation of the other direction, which would be a break above 0.7 cents. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.